Hey guys, Nick2, how do you do? This is just going to be a video of me trying to harden this knife. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get the forge started, stick this in here, get up to non-magnetic. I got a magnet here, check that. So once it doesn't stick to the magnet, I'm going to go quench it in this oil bucket I have, oil barrel. It's full of oil. So let me get the forge started and take you along. Okay, the forge is coming up to temperature. Once all the fuel starts burning, I'll put the knife in. I have to put it on the spine with the blade facing up so the thin blade doesn't melt. So be back. Okay, I just put the knife in there. You can see, maybe you can see it, but I'll try and zoom in. Right at the tip, it's changing colors already. It means it's heating up. So we're gonna get it to non-magnetic, and then we're gonna quench. So. Okay, I'm gonna change the camera angle. It's gonna be over the quench bucket. I'm just gonna do the magnet test in my hand because it cools down really quick once you get it out of the forge. We can test it right now, but as you can see, the spine is non-magnetic, but most of the blade still is. So I'm gonna put it back in for a minute or two. So I'm gonna stop the video and then change camera angles. Okay, I'm about to pull the blade out of the forge. I got the magnet in my hand. I'm gonna test it. And once I test it, I'm just gonna quench it really fast. Okay, it's still a little bit magnetic. Just gonna pop it back in real quick. Get some more heat into it. Okay, it's not magnetic, I'm quenching it. Usually the oil doesn't catch fire on the first quench, so just letting it cool down some more. As you can see, the metal went back to being magnetic. Turn off the save. So right now the blade is pretty hard. I'm gonna clean this off real quick. Okay, so there's the blade after I quenched it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it inside. I'm going to pop it in the oven for about half an hour, and that should give it the final hardness, which should about, I don't know, 50, 55 Rockwell hardness. That's what I'm guessing. I don't really know how to test that, but that's the blade. See you in a second. Okay, so the knife didn't get as hard as I wanted it in the quench, but that's okay, because I'm just going to temper it less. I'm just going to temper it for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and that should get it around 55 Rockwell hardness. That's what I've been researching for 1085 steel. So after I get that, uh, after I get it out of the oven, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to sand it. I'm going to put the handle on it and sand down the handle, and then I'm probably going to spray paint the knife black, just so it looks uniform. So be back. Okay, I just finished tempering it. I just got these nails holding the handle in place. I'm gonna, as you can see, the silver line. I'm gonna cut that out, then sand it down. There's a little space here, but what I'm gonna do is tape it off and then fill it with JB Weld, and that'll fill in the space between the handle and the guard. So then I have to stain and then lacquer, or what's it called? The other coating for wood. I forgot what it's called, but so look pretty good.